Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my work in progress from Craftedly, the completed work from Diamond Dots, and unbox two things that I purchased. One is a really very cute resin pen that I bought from AliExpress, and the other item is the diamond painting kit keychains that I purchased from Amazon, and it really looks really very special. So let's start with my work in progress. That's how much I completed. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit from Craftably, letter for Santa. So I'm almost done with the kit. More than the half is completed, and as soon as I finish the whole diamond painting, I will upload a video review. I really love how it's turning out. I think it's beautiful, and I really enjoy working on it technique wise. So this is it. This is my daughter's diamond painting that she completed from Diamond Dots. This is a pillow. That's how it looks. This is the original box. That's how it was supposed to turn out. Mostly resin drills, but this kit did come with yellow and white AB diamonds. So as you can see, we changed almost everything. We replaced white we replaced resin white drills with white AB on the face, and we added blue AB, or maybe it came with blue AB, I'm not sure. And we also added blue and red crystals, and I really like how it turned out. Now, I wanted to show you what I purchased from AliExpress. I got this really very pretty stylus. I'm not really a fan of styluses. I don't really like purchasing it because it is very convenient for me to work with the original styluses that come with the kits, or Diamond Art Club pen that I purchased on sale at Hobby Lobby. But why I purchased this one was because of the material the placers are made of. This is metallic, and I really wanted to try it and to see what's the difference between metallic and plastic placers is. And I also purchased this roller pin for $3, a small one. Rolling pin, right? It is rolling pin because sometimes I need something smaller, not a big one, and I have a huge rolling pin that I bought from, I don't know, Bed Bath & Beyond. So I'm really very happy with it. I mean, it would be really even easier to, use on the kit like this, on a small kit. And this is the pen. I paid almost $9 for it. So let's open and see how it looks inside. So as to the pen, one more reason why I purchased it, not only because it is metallic, but also because I wanted to try this crooked placer, if it is possible to say so, because I saw a lot of people find it actually really very convenient to use, more than the straight placer, single placer. So it comes with a straight single placer, crooked single placer, 7 placer, 3 placer or 4 placer, 10 placer, and the straightener. But to tell you the truth, this one is not accurate because it was mentioned that this kit also comes with a mat, like a small mat, but it has never been added to the package. So not very accurate packaging. The mat is missing. Not that I need it much, but still, just for you to know. And I really like the colors. There are different colors. I like this one the best. So once I start working with it, most likely once I complete my kit from Craftably, I will elaborate on how I like working with the crooked placer and metallic placer in general. So now I also wanted to show you this very kit that I purchased from Amazon. The packaging is really very interesting, differs from other keychains that I purchased before, even from Amazon. So let's open and see how it looks. I purchased it for my daughter. So in total, there are 5 keychains. I purchased the animal one. There were different kinds, unicorns, sea creatures, different ones. So there is a fox, uh, koala, panda, giraffe, and llama. As far as I understand. And really very nice crystals. Special drills, beautiful blue, pink, AB, or better say pearl, yellow, iridescent blue, yellow, bright yellow crystals, light yellow, very bright orange, beautiful, red, bright yellow, lettuce green, green, pink, bluish gray or gray bluish, black, transparent, also gray, bluish gray or gray bluish, a little bit lighter than the previous one, and brown. So it cost around $11, and depending again on the kind, the prices vary. And as soon as my daughter completes at least one of them, I will show you how it looks. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.